Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make something a little different but still totally delicious. We are preparing malai matar with a buttery twist. Alright, let's get started. First we will heat up some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add onions, add almond. After a good fry, keep them aside. Now add more oil and butter. Now we will add some chopped ginger and garlic and black pepper powder. Next we add some finely chopped onions, saute them until the onions are soft and golden. Now let's add the tomato paste and then the spices. Salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Now it's time to add fried onions and almond paste. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. The smell in this room right now is just out of this world. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter into a hot pan. Once the butter melts, toss in your mutton. We're going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. It's like giving the piece a flavor makeover. Now add them into the gravy and add some garam masala and mix them well so they are fully coated in all those flavors. Now add some water, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. And now add sugar, cream, kasuri methi and stir until it blends perfectly with the sauce. This is what gives Malai Motor its signature richness and smooth texture. Now let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And there you have it, Malai Motor with stir-fried butter piece. It's creamy, rich and packed with flavor. The buttery piece adds such a delightful twist and I promise you will love it.